Ka Committee on Women Empowerment jong ka ying dobar thawan ka jalame galia ha ka pratarik nailar arjar kwar kalakot hajeria katnat social welfare khnang ba ki khun jong ki arngut ki longkmie ki blasha pynïap ha EJH Hills kin yo ye ki jingïarap tikna ka committee lengba ka chairperson ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo amele ka East Shillong kala hukum ya katnat bansim khia ki prangut na ki shipongot ki khun jong ka kongsang siai na jilia ka blasha sdien phasi hadien blasha pynïap halau kurim men ha ka laipo trik jelio arjar kwar lapatha ru ya katnat ban a jingïarap ya ki khun jong ka grace bare nadkhia ka bla subasha pynïap hau hedesa do trong hadien balalap ya ka medyap chongka na ka wei kandala toy harus rok snong umtra men ha ka khat khandai tarik noitung arja arpuar
Budin ya ka long jing man jong ki khun jong ki tu ki arngut ki longkmie ki besha pynïap sha jante hills nilalap ba ibe ikme idon hado prangut ki khun hadu shipongut ki khun prangut ki dangdei ki khlum ki khna tingila budin ru ban pet baya ka jinglong ka jingman jong ki khlung on ombo betang ha ka jing pet jong ki kur ki jan riban pet ru ba ka sorkar ka le ka don kam ban le tina kita ki saungut ki khlung lara ki shaki observational homes ki baper an pet ba kin let ban beteng ya ka puli ka puthi ka jong ki idon iwe khlong iban resnem iba yo ya kita ki jingja khmat jong ban pet be yo ya kita ki doktor ki betbet ki ban yarap ba in klet ya kita ki jingja nang tung yo pade ki don kini ki khlong ki bala kham he ki bala kloi ban shim de ki men jong ki bala kham rang ba aku wei aku ara aku lai snem but yo ba kini ki numpat la ban pha iki ban pendep ya ka puli ka puthi ka jong ki tingi la pet ru ba ka social welfare ka ban bodin ya kata ye ti wi long kme ba khlat hapo East Jante Hills balalap ya ka met hapo highway ya ka case jong ki khon jong ituru ngila pha bat batha ya ka social welfare ba ka don kam karke bakan penkhre ya ki scheme ki ba pher ban yarap ya kum ki ni ki jat thlung khna ki bangat akum ki ni ki apot ka committee jongi ru kala sngodei bakan pha da ka shithi sha ka government ban pet ba ka sorkar jilla ka jongi ka numsha ya ka jingpli jongki hostels jongki khlung ki ba hapo ka khat prasnem klem da yo ka NOC na ki competent authorities dei bandon ka child protection welfare ka ban ai ka NOC ka dei bandon ka women's protection ban pet pat ba phi ri phi sumar bhai gini ki khlung na mar kum bangi yo kini ki khna gilet chakata ka jaka bala khot smobha ban ai ka jaka sa akapor ki puli ki puthi inre kinda poisa ka to jaka pat kalong ka them jong ki jing snew kane kam dei banja ban ngin pha no khamshen kham kloi ya kata ka shithi shaka sorkar jilla that in the case of the murder of late Shrimati Siang Shai in East Jante Hills, she has left behind 10 children, out of which 8 of the children were found to be minors. We were concerned because we thought that it would be necessary to ensure that these children were taken care of by the government through the social welfare department, and we have been given an assurance that a 2-year-old who was a child of the deceased will be taken care of her eldest sister, who's 23 years old, who happens to also be married. 3 of the children aged 6, 8, 11 and 13. 4 of the children. Government will be now taking care of these children into institutional homes or the children home, and the government will ensure that these children continue to receive education and are taken care of in their custody till they attain the age of 18. There was an elder boy who's 18 years old who is also still under the care of his mother, will now be sent for further vocational training in hair styling and cutting. 2 of the children who are 16 and 14-year-old, one male, one female, will receive a sponsorship from the government through the Department of Social Welfare to ensure that these children continue to be in schools and to ensure that these children do not further face trauma in their lives. In the case of the murder of another young woman, Srimati Gracia Bare, it was decided that Srimati Meera Bare, the grandmother, will take care of the 8-year-old and 12-year-old sons of late Srimati Gracia Bare. We have requested the Department of Social Welfare to immediately file a report to the Women's Committee to ensure that the financial support to be safe and sound, so that the grandmother, a 62-year-old lady, can do justice to taking care of these 2 minors that have been left behind due to the murder of late Srimati Gracia Bare.
Nalor kini ki artili ki benta ka komiti kelapan jubabru nakatnat halo ki habret ki blayo pelayem narimpu bagan kasuba ketem aurea jong UMDC tura ubernat en marang kebalasha khenra ki pulit haka arwar trip naitung arja arwar.
We were also concerned for the welfare of the 5 rescued victims in the incident relating to the rescuing of 5 children in West Garo Hills, Tura, from the Rimpu Bagan case. All 5 children have been rescued, out of which 3 were between the ages of 17 and 16. 1 was a child of 15, 1 was a child of 13, and 1 was a child of 3 years old. As far as the Women's Committee is concerned, we are only concerned about the welfare of these children who have been rescued from the case at West Garo Hills, Tura. We have been given the assurance that all the 6 children who are in some way or the other linked with this incident are given necessary protection and are also provided with all necessary provisions to ensure that these children continue to live a normal life despite the circumstances which they found themselves at.
Kau komiti kalayo jubabru nakatnan baka jingïarap pisa kepada iswa tang silak tengka 8 poi sakmi jong ki arngot ki habret sipara ki blasa pynïap halau jong kpa hanongra hakamit ka laipo trip jumang arjar arwar.
We have also been told that in the case of the Nongra children murder, necessary compensations have already been forwarded to the family, and initial 1 lakh has been paid to the family to ensure that the family will be able legal assistance to take the case up in the days to come.